Hello, this is a jar tester or flocculator manufactured by Divine International Techcraft, New Delhi, India. This jar tester is ideal for use in water treatment plants or laboratories to correctly estimate the dosing of alum and other such coagulants for treatments of water and sewage. It provides identical test conditions for all test samples. This flocculator consists of a geared, continuous run, heavy duty, variable speed motor whose speed can vary from 20 to 180 rpm. A speed controller and a digital rpm meter is provided for changing and displaying the stirrer speed. A digital timer is provided to set the duration of operation. Illuminated base consists of a fluorescent tube mounted under a translucent plastic plate to provide diffused core light through the flock samples. SS stirring rods are provided with adjustable spacers to adjust the depth of the stirring paddles. The stirring shaft can be removed without disturbing other stirrers. This is a 4-stirrer model with each stirrer having a 1 liter stirring capacity. This jar tester is also available with 2 or 6 stirrers and also with 2 liter stirring capacity. We wait for your inquiries and orders for this product. Thank you.